Okay, we just got home and we heard that we had a downed tree in the back. Oh, lost lots of trees in the backyard. What are you looking at? Oh my goodness. Huge tree down in the back.
And look, the dead one still stands. I gotta get Zoe.
The big one's still there. Missed. No damage here. Gazebo's still intact. But definitely a big tree down in the back. And our neighbor was nice enough to tell us that the house was okay. Big tree came down. Definitely a big tree. So this was quite a damaging storm, to say the least. The tree is from our neighbor over there. That's their property. Looks like a few more trees came down in the woods there. So, wow. Certainly is a lot of lumber to deal with. Everything else is okay. All right. It's good we didn't lose anything else. The dogwood's good. Some branches down. Oh, we did lose a couple of branches here. Hopefully no broken windows. Good.